Hello, I am Josh. This is a microwave, and this is Aaron's CD of demonic songs, which I'm not too particularly fond of. So, well, I'm sure you can see where I'm going with this. Holy shit. There we go, that's better. This is neat. Whoa. Okay, that's enough of that. Whoa. Cool. Wow. Isn't that something? Now, we turn the lights back on, and we take the Demonic Song CD and put it right back in here, where he'll never know what happened. Perfect. Well, while we're at it, let's see what else we can microwave and have fun with. I mean, this is a microwave I picked up in an alley anyway. Oh, geez, let's see. No, I just saw something a second ago that I wanted to try out in there. Ah, here we go. Duct tape. See what we can do with this. Okay, I don't think this is going to work out quite as I planned. Okay. Oh, got warm. Got warm. Well. Oh, come on, I want to microwave some stuff. What is there in here that... Here we go. Baseball card. It's not worth anything anyway. It's got oil all over it. Sorry about this, Sammy Sosa. Get the full effect here. I can't even see the buttons. Oh, there we go. Tell if it's doing anything or not. Oh, it looks like it's actually starting to cook the edges. The one corner looks a little brown. I destroyed a demonic song CD. You'll never know. Wow. It does nothing. This card is still in perfect condition. Wow. Maybe that's God's way of telling me that this card's worth money, so I better not microwave it. Okay, look at that. Perfect. Nothing happened to it. Wow. I really don't think there's anything else I can microwave just for the hell of it. Nope, I guess that's it. Well, now we know what happens when you microwave a CD. So, Hope you enjoyed.